Welcome to the class. Today is our next day of our Palo Alto Firewall series. Uh, Someone posted something. Let me check. Good evening. Yes, good evening, Sevu. Good evening, Uday. So let me share my screen, guys. I will recap yesterday's session and then we will forward on the next topic. Mm, Yesterday we covered something basic, guys. So let me open this PPT for your understanding. And this one and another one is followed networking by Subhash, followed of syllabus. Okay, this one, guys. So, guys, yesterday we covered about the Palo Alto network. What is a Palo Alto actually? Okay, what is a Palo Alto network? And in the Palo Alto network, what type of a products we have? Under the we have just like a Prisma, Strata, and Cortex. Yesterday I explained it. Prisma is a one of the category. Under the Prisma, our two products are falling under this. The Prisma Access and Prisma SD-WAN. Okay. And Strata is nothing but a centralized management server, just like a Panorama, or if you have the knowledge of your Fortinet firewall, then just like a FortiManager. Okay. So this one is a Strata Cloud Manager. It's a cloud-based management server, guys, actually, and Panorama is a hardware-based. Okay, and Cortex is a log storage. It will help you to, as a SOC engineer, if you're practicing as a SOC engineer, you will help it. And next generation firewall, guys. Palo Alto next generation firewall is a why next generation, guys, because it has a next generation capability. So just like L2 to L7 inspection. Okay, all the inspection as per the OSI model will perform by our Palo Alto firewall. Okay. So in that series, we have two types of firewall, guys. One of the PA series, it is hardware based, and you can see that in this particular. Yes, who has a question?
एसी लाएंगे यार
Hello, go ahead. Hello. Okay, guys, if you don't have, I am going to proceed. So in a PA series, guys, we have hardware based firewall. You can see that this is the lower range model, PF 400 series. And this is the second one, PA800, PA5400. These are the series, guys, actually. Under this series, we have multiple types of firewall, just like a 5421, 5431, something like that. In this 800, 840, 850, okay, and 400 series, guys. So this is the series of a PF firewall series of it's a hardware based firewall, guys. And Palo Alto also offers, guys, software based firewall as well, which is called as a virtual Palo Alto firewall. If I'm scrolling down, you can see here VM series firewall, guys. So this VM series firewall you need to deploy on the cloud. Okay. So which are the cloud, guys? AWS, Cisco, ACI, Azure. These are the cloud, guys. Okay. So on this cloud, you need to install it if you have your infrastructure on the cloud. Okay. So you need to buy it this VM based firewall from the cloud market. Okay. And then after that you need to deploy over the cloud. Just a minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. Yes, guys, sorry. Uh, I'm going to scrolling down, guys. You can see that why Palo Alto is a more special. Yesterday I explained, and today I'm going to again explain, guys. As Palo Alto offered us multiple types of features, guys. That's why it is a next generation firewall. We call it as a next generation firewall. So under the next generation firewall is why we call it as a next generation firewall, guys, because of it offered us just like a app ID, content ID, user ID, device ID. These are the features which is offered by next generation firewall or this Palo Alto firewall. Okay, guys. And DNS security, enterprise DLP. DLP means what, guys? It's a data loss prevention. Actually, in our organization, we can monitor incoming traffic and outgoing traffic. Okay, your Palo Alto firewall will understand or analyze it. Okay, on the behalf of this DLP, what type of a data pattern is going on this link? That's the thing. By identify your Palo Alto firewall, if Palo Alto firewall detect that here from this link. Detect that such a like the mobile numbers or Aadhaar card numbers, such a kind of a pattern is going on this cloud now, this Palo Alto firewall, then such a kind of a traffic will recognize by your enterprise DLP. Okay, so data loss prevention is a part of information security, guys. Okay, and threat prevention, URL filtering. URL filtering, as you know, social media, after that, sports. These are the particular URL category. Under this, multiple URLs or websites, guys, fall under this URL category. If you block na sport related URL category, it means you are all you blocking all sport related websites. Okay, so such a kind of URL filtering you will get here, and you can also customize it if you want. And other part, guys, wildfire, IoT, global protect, guys. Global protect, what is the use of global protect? If any user is working from home, guys. Okay, so those who working from home, how he can connect with your organization infra. Okay, that's a question. So he will connect on the basis of through the tunnel, guys. Okay, is called as a global protect. Here we need to install one of the global protect agent on this endpoint device. After that, through this device, he will authenticate. The user will authenticate on the behalf of it, and then this request will go forward on the Palo Alto firewall, and then he is able to connect to your enterprise network. Okay, so it's just like a VPN, guys. Okay, so this is the feature, guys, which is all offered by Palo Alto. And in the market, we have multiple types of firewall, guys, which are the next generation. These are the Palo Alto, Fortinet, Checkpoint, Sonic Wall. Okay, so multiple vendor we have in a market. But now these are the three market leader, guys, as per the Gartner report, for your understanding. And you should this Gartner report every year published by this Gartner company. Okay, so as per the Gartner report, these are the now market leader: Palo Alto, Fortinet, and Checkpoint. Okay, so that's why, and also, these are all the next generation firewall, and these all are providers. These are the this all that all the features. Okay, so that's why we are calling it as just like a next generation firewall, guys. Okay, so I'm scrolling down again, so little bit for your understanding. This is the Gartner report, guys. If you can see that this Gartner report here. First quadrant, our Fortinet firewall, Palo Alto, and Checkpoint. These are fall under the first quadrant as per the Gartner report. And rest of the firewall, you can see that second quadrant, Juniper. Okay, here the Sonic Wall, Sophos, and this Barracuda. Okay, so these are fall under other quadrant. In the first quadrant, those who are the major market leader, now those are the firewall under your first quadrant as per the Gartner company. Okay, so that's why our Palo Alto firewall is a more special and which is adapted by more adapted in the market, each and every company. Okay. Mm, yes, guys. So if you learn a Palo Alto firewall, then you will get a complete idea how this Prisma Access working, guys. Okay. In every interview nowadays, every company or every interviewer will ask you if you are going to interview on Palo Alto network na, so Palo Alto firewall. So definitely you will get a question on this Prisma Access. Okay, one to two question. Because of nowadays company expect from Palo to engineer, you should know this Prisma access as well. Okay, so it's not a part of your syllabus, but I'm going to cover 2 to 3 lectures about that, and then you will get a complete end-to-end idea what is a Prisma access, how we can manage it, and what is the product actually. Okay, so you will get a complete idea end-to-end, and you will attend the interview on the behalf of my training. Okay, guys. In the part Prisma is nothing but Prisma Access. Okay, so Prisma Access, guys, Prisma SASE. So what is the SASE? Yes, secure access service edge. Correct. How many people knows about the SASE? Hello, hello, guys. Are you aware about the SASE? Says, I mean says.
Yeah, it's integrated version of SD-WAN and security cloud.
Yes, correct. It's a combination of NAS, network as a service. Oh, sorry, network as a service plus software as a service or firewall as a service, guys. So your firewall as a service means your Palo Alto or your Prisma Access. Okay, this one. And your network as a service means, guys, your SD-WAN product. Which it may be your Cisco SD-WAN, Catalyst SD-WAN, or Viptela SD-WAN, or your Prisma SD-WAN as well. Okay. And under this firewall as service, you need to learn multiple products, just like the your global protect again you come in a picture, and global protect. After that, secure web gateway, CASB. These are the features are falls under this your firewall as a service. Okay, then you will if you have the knowledge of your Cisco SD-WAN and after that after learning this Prisma Access, na you definitely you will work as just like a SASE engineer, guys. Okay, in a market. And SASE engineer is a market demandable post SASE engineer. Mm, guys, in a market right now, SASE product, which are the companies has launched the SASE product, guys? So is one of the Palo Alto, okay, first one. Second one is a Zscaler for your information. And now the Netscope, guys, third one. So these are the now market leader actually in a market in the SASE product. Okay. If you are getting clear idea about the Palo Alto Firewall, I am definitely sure. Okay, 100% sure. You can easily work on this Prisma Access. And if you have the knowledge of Cisco SD-WAN or any kind of SD-WAN, then you are perfectly act as a Palo Alto SASE engineer. Okay. So that Palo Alto Firewall is a prerequisite for it.
Okay,
Oh,
hi.
hi, hi, go ahead.
Okay, so SD-WAN means is it a specific SD-WAN provider? For example, Cisco, Viptela, there are many providers, right? So when it comes to SaaS, Palo Alto is providing as a product, SD-WAN product.
Yes, yes, Palo Alto support.
Oh,
You need
really?
to integrate your Palo Alto SD-WAN, sorry, any kind of SD-WAN with the Palo Alto network guides. And it's a supporting.
Okay. No, my question is it a Palo Alto SD-WAN product or they are supporting in different vendors like Cisco and Silver Peak?
Different. Palo Alto Prisma Access will support your Palo Alto SD-WAN, okay? Palo Alto
Okay.
SD-WAN, your Cisco SD-WAN, your Viptela SD-WAN, your Meraki, oh, not Meraki, something product, okay? And all the SD-WAN, all the SD-WAN are supported to this Prisma Access, guys. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Just you need to
Okay.
integrate it. Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm. And you can where you can integrate, guys, in the Strata Cloud Manager. Okay. Under the Strata Cloud Manager, you can integrate your SD-WAN. Strata Cloud Manager is one of the product through which you can manage this Prisma Access or your SASE and your Prisma SD-WAN as well. Okay. So it's a cloud base. I will show you guys. Don't worry. And this one is a guys infrastructure of your Prisma Access. Prisma Access is nothing but one of the cloud. Under this cloud, we are deploying the multiple types of a connection or node, you can say in your language. Okay, node. So these are the security nodes, totally security node, guys. So here you will get one of the node which is called as a MUSPN. Okay, MUSPN. So mobile user security processing node, through which your remote user, those who are working from home, they are able to connect to your cloud or Prisma Access cloud. Okay. And here one of the another node which is called as RNSPN. Okay. So RNSPN means, guys, remote network security processing node, through which your all the your all the enterprises offices or your all the offices or remote offices, they can connect with the this cloud, guys. Okay. And one more connection, one more node, guys, which is called as SCCAN, service connection corporate access node, CAN. Okay. So through which you can connect your all the data center to with this cloud, guys, such a way. Okay. And all the logs will go forward on this starter logging services, guys. Okay. So it means that, guys, this cloud will provide you end-to-end connectivity with your remote office, with your local users or those who are working from home remotely, okay, and with your data center, guys. Whatever traffic will go forward under this cloud, it will inspect by your MUSPN and RNSPN, and after that, it will go forward on the internet on towards your data center. Okay, so end-to-end connectivity. Instead of managing a multiple devices, just you need to buy only one product, then you will get a proper all solution in one product, guys. This one product will help you instead of configuring the multiple product, thousands of product. Okay, you don't need to buy or configure another, just like router switches and all. So these all are managed by under this cloud, guys, automatically. And you can see that under this we have the threat prevention, URL filtering, software as a service. Okay, wildfire, you can see here the DNS, DLP, IoT. These are the features are under this cloud, guys. Okay, so this is the, guys, Prisma Access infrastructure. Okay, so in this you can see that this infrastructure which is managed by the Panorama and the Strata Cloud Manager. Okay, SCM means Strata Cloud Manager, for your information. It is hosted on cloud, so you can see that this manager is hosted on cloud, through which you can manage this infra. Okay, and here we have Panorama, PN, through which we can manage the Panorama, guys. Okay, through which we can manage this infrastructure, Prisma Access. These are the two way through which we can manage. Okay, so guys, do you have any question up to that? What is a Prisma Access and what is a Palo Alto Firewall? If you have, just let me know. I will clear it.
Hi, sir.
Hi, hi.
Sir, could you please slow down the topic because I'm taking notes. Wow, what are all you saying?
I'm not getting your question, Roshan. Please go ahead again.
No, sir. Could you please slow down the topic. What are all you're saying? Because I am taking notes.
Okay, you means you want the notes, right?
No, sir. Since I'm new to this topic, I am taking notes. So that's why I'm asking you to slow down what you are saying.
Okay, don't worry. It's a first class for your information only. Okay. You will get a
Okay, thank
complete
you.
idea. Don't worry. It's a first class only. Yesterday I also explained it, but today I'm going to recap, guys, for the new peoples as well as for the old people, because of everyone should know about the infrastructures and what is the firewall and what is the Prisma Access, guys. Because of it's a market demand nowadays. Okay, and it's totally depend upon your Palo Alto firewall only. If you have the knowledge, okay, Palo Alto firewall is a prerequisite for it, guys. Okay, so that's why I'm explaining it. It's a because of it's a more important, very important for your understanding and for as per your career. Who has a question? Someone? No, sir. Okay. Okay, so
Hi,
uh,
Suvash.
yes, Bibin, go ahead.
Suvash, so in this tutorial, like, are we covering Panorama and Prisma, everything?
No, we are covering only Panorama. Prisma is not a part of your syllabus, is not a part of your follow, guys. It's a complete different product. Okay.
Okay,
It's a complete different product. If you want to learn this product now end to end with a scratch, so more 40 hours is required, but we don't
okay.
have the lab for it. Yes.
Yeah, that's why. Anyway, I'm very new to this Palo Alto Firewall, so today is my first call. So I just want to know, like, is it covering PSC NSA or PC NSC?
We are covering PCNSC plus,
Okay, okay,
yes, including Panorama, and additionally 2 to 3 lecture of this Prisma Access. It's a bonus point or bonus lecture for you guys for more visibility. Okay.
okay.
No any other institution will provide it, but we are providing here.
Okay, okay, fine. Because I also been working in networking field, but I want to be like I want to switch into the security field. I want to gain knowledge on the firewall side. So that's why
Mhm.
I'm asking if I studied this course, it's enough for getting into security roles. Is it fine? Palo Alto. Uh,
Yes, but market is expecting that you should know of knowledge about the two firewalls, minimum two firewall. Okay,
oh, okay.
one
Is
of
it
the
like
Palo Alto,
Fortinet, Fortinet
and the
and Palo
Fortinet
Alto?
and Palo Alto is more than enough for your security career.
Okay, okay. But
Yes.
actually, I don't have experience in that. I didn't work on any kind of vendor. I worked only in
Okay.
Cisco ASA.
Okay, don't
Uh,
worry. I am here. I will provide you 2 to 3 years of experience knowledge. Okay.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Just just you need experience on the document. I am here to provide the technical. Then you can easily represent in the market. Yeah, I work there around 3.5 hour. Sorry, 3.5 year, and I have this types of technical
Yeah,
specialty
yeah.
and
I
field
understand.
expertise.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah. Okay.
I will deliver, and you will be confident after completing this class.
Thank you. Thank you, Suresh. Yeah.
Yes. So guys, up to that, I explain here, guys. Okay, Palo Alto Firewall, why it is a special on the basis of your features, guys. These are the features. So just a minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. I need to check my laptop, office laptop. Just a minute. Yeah, hi. Sorry, guys. Actually, I'm working in the industry now, so I was getting a call, so I was there. So, guys, let's come on to our topic. Without wasting time, let me explain or let me go on another topic. Uh, yes, this one is a guys, one of the guide. Here I mentioned complete end-to-end syllabus. So what we are going to cover, guys, under this Prisma Access or sorry PCNSC series, in your syllabus. So you can see that, guys. This is the intro about me. Basic in I mentioned here. My name is Subhash and I have 10 years of experience, guys. And these are my expertise in particular technologies. You can see Palo Alto Firewall, Prisma Access, Panorama, okay, CCNA, Cisco SD-WAN, BGP, OSPF, and FortiGate Firewall with the 10 years of experience, guys. And currently working under the migration, implementation. Okay, these are in this department, guys. Sometime I also support wherever is needed from my side. Okay, and this is my certification, guys. Right now, also I'm targeting one of this SDVAN right now. So this all about me. And if I'm scrolling down here, guys, so your exam PCNSC, guys, Palo Alto Networks Certified Security Engineer, guys. Okay, so now this certification is got changed in the form of Next Generation Firewall Engineer, guys. Okay, NGFW. We can see that here. Let me check where it is. Next generation firewall, SP3 architecture, lab 3. We have here, not. Yes, guys, this one. Okay. So this one is a certification in the market. After that, you can hit to this certification, guys. Okay. Uh, yes. So, guys, as per the document, your
Sir,
exam. Yes, yes, go ahead.
Kumar, sir, I didn't understand what you're saying. PCNSC is changed?
Yes, PCNC is no longer in the market. So instead of that, now this certification is in market, guys. Next generation firewall engineer. Okay, it's got changed from the last November. Understood? Hello.
Yes, sir, yes. So
Yes.
only the name is changed, or is it the version, or is it the...
Only 2 to 3 content of a syllabus got changed. And earlier it was, in the market, PCNSC and PCNSC. These are the two certification. Administrator plus engineer. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now they are both combined. Administrator and engineer. Now it's become a NGFW. This one certification, guys. Okay. Now both are combined now.
Okay.
So administrator and engineer is no longer in the market right now. This one is available.
Okay.
Yes. And $250 is the price of this certification. Okay.
Sir,
And
what about the questions and MCQs? Is it still the same or did it change?
so you will get examination, guys, on the basis of scenario as well as MCQ. You can see that here. I mentioned complete entry and just let me show you guys. You can see here the exam, what type of exam you will get. So topic wise question. No, sorry, this not. Let me show you. Deploy. Yes, guys, you can see here. Format, this exam will be in the format multiple choice question MCQ. Okay. And scenario based question, guys. You need to configure also there. Few of the questions. And you need to sometime you need to matching the policy. Okay. Just like reasoning. Okay. So this is the pattern, exam pattern, guys. And you will get a dump on Telegram if you want to see. Okay. If you want to see now, you can go on the Telegram, you will get a dump for this PCNSC or next generation firewall engineer. So, okay, we are comfortable in English. That's why we are going to do or give this exam in English, guys. Okay, this exam is available in the two languages. So, let me scrolling down. So, guys, as per from my side or from our institution side, we are offering you guys topic wise theory for your interview practice or your expertiseness. Also with the lab guide, guys, we will offer the lab guide. Okay, step by step and including the screenshot. I will provide the lab guide. It is a more helpful to your lab practice, guys. Okay, if you no need to refer any another document if you are reading my document, guys. Okay, literally very short notes I will provide you guys because of it will be helpful. Nowadays don't nobody wanna read lots of document. Okay, and that's why I will provide my own document. Okay, whichever I created, guys, such a way. So I will share it. Also, we are going to offer our institution is going to offer you guys lab practice or lab also 24/7, and also I will take a doubt session, guys. Okay. And in my current company, I am an interviewer. So I will share what type of interview question and scenario I am asking in my current company. So that experience also I will deliver you guys. And nowadays, what type of market standard is going on, I will share. So guys, this is the percentage wise weightage for your exam, guys. Okay. Under the planning section, what type of a deployment we have, a deployment, guys, deployment and configuration security policy, how we can create a new super user, read only access. Okay. This is fall under the planning. Under the deploying, guys, the tap mode deployment, virtual wire deployment. You can deploy your Palo Alto Fire as a switch, guys, layer 2. You can deploy your Palo Alto Firewall as a layer 3, guys, as a router. Okay. So these are the way through which you can deploy your Palo Alto firewall. And while deploying the Palo Alto firewall, how you can configure your firewall. This is include 23% weightage. Okay, in your examination. Operating system. Sorry, operate. Operation means, guys, other rest of the stuff just like security policy, routing. Okay. So this is fall under this operate,
So,
guys. Hmm.
sorry, score report is only for the network security engineer, not for the next generation. Because as per the Palo Alto document, PEN OS network configuration 40% and device setting configuration 20%, and new topic is integration and automation 20%.
So
This is,
I,
this is
I
a new
what I
scenario.
Yes, yes. Yesterday I showed you this document about the next generation firewall engineer. This one is a different. This is a now market as per the market. I am explaining here as per the PCNSE, guys. Okay, you can see here. What PNOS 9.0. Okay, as per this. But now, actually, before next generation firewall engineer in the market, PCNSA and PCNA, these are the two different certification, guys, administrator level and engineer level. So now they are become added, and now now it is a next generation firewall engineer. Okay, and there is some syllabus got changes like the automation and all this part. Okay, so also the weightage is got changed according to the upgrade or according to the next generation firewall engineer. Okay. So this is the weightage according to the old. And this change is got in, guys, in the month of November, just recently, 6 months ago.
What is the pass mark on system?
Sorry,
Pass mark, sir.
pass note,
Pass mark.
Marks.
Pass percentage. How much?
passing marks. Okay, okay,
Ah,
passing
yes, sir.
marks.
Yes, sir.
Passing marks, guys, 800 plus.
Out of, sir.
Out of 1000.
Okay.
So guys, in this syllabus, we will cover, guys, these are the topics. Getting started means, guys, what type of a configuration, basic configuration for initially. We will cover under this getting with the Palo Alto, guys. Here we will cover of a SP3 architecture of Palo Alto firewall. Also the basic configuration, just like how we can firstly configure first. If you are getting a chance in your company for configuration a new box, okay, first time. So how you can deploy this Palo Alto firewall box in a production? So how you can configure the management IP on this box? So such a configuration will do under this getting started, guys. In the firewall administration means, guys, here we will deploy the Palo Alto firewall. Sorry, we can create multiple types of users. If you are new user is joining in our company for managing your Palo Alto firewall. So these are the stuff, configuration of banner, and configuration of zones. So these are the practice we are doing under this firewall administration. And packet flow, guys, it means in your Palo Alto firewall, the traffic is coming from in this your LAN side, okay, and this traffic is going from for towards the WAN side, okay. So after hitting the any packet on your Palo Alto firewall, what type of a packet flow or what type of a action will taken by this Palo Alto firewall against this packet, guys, under this Palo Alto firewall? That's the thing we will learn under the packet flow, guys. Okay, so packet flow is very necessary to understand for the troubleshooting, guys, in daily scenarios or daily practice. If you're working in operation, yeah, operation team, okay, so you should know it, what is the packet flow. So this is a part of our syllabus. Under the networking part, guys, we will cover the NAT, guys. We have the three types of NAT here, guys. The source NAT and destination NAT. These are the two major types. Under this, we have source static NAT, source dynamic NAT, source port address translation. Under the destination, guys, the static destination NAT and port forwarding. These are the concepts we will cover. Okay. Also, we will learn here the U-turn NAT, guys. If your user from inside, your internal inside user, okay, inside user wanna access your own company's server, okay, this one is server for your information, but he is not directly able to access this server, guys, okay, he need to take a u-turn on the internet. How it is, guys? So on the internet here, just like this one internet, guys, understand, and here is one of the DNS server, okay, global DNS server. So his request will come here on the internet, hit on the DNS, go global DNS. After that, this request will come back in your Palo Alto firewall, and then this request will allow to access this server, guys. It means your internal user need to take a U-turn from the internet or from the globally, and then he is able to access your internal services, guys. So this is the one of the NAT type, guys. Okay, it's called, which is called as a U-turn NAT. So we will cover it as well. So this is the things under the networking. Under the policy section, guys, we can cover here security policy, the NAT policy, decryption policy, policy based forwarding. These are the policy type, guys. Policy based routing and and IP based routing. Guys. Hello, hello.
No, sir, we are not aware of it.
Okay. So I will cover it. Let me show you. Before that, I wanna do something. Let me check. I'm coming here, guys. This one is a lab. Okay. So we are going to start from the new batch now. So I'm creating here one of the new folder for your batch, guys. So I need to clear the folder. Let me here. So for this new folder, I'm giving a name. What name, guys? What name I need to give here? A rename. Okay. So rename. Patch 2019 May. But watch. Okay. Sorry. Something wrong here. Okay. This one is folder created for your batch, guys. So hit enter. Where it is product folder now. Let me create another folder. This one is a new folder. I need to rename here. Palo Alto by Suvansh 20 May. I will give here name for the tomorrow, guys. It's a perfect time. Palo Alto Subhans 20 May. This one is a folder for you guys. I'm opening here. I'm creating one of the new lab. So click on create. Here you need to give the name. Initial lab, guys. Sorry. E, initial lab. Okay, this one lab. So I'm going to add. So this is our lab environment guide, which is provided by our institution or from the networking side. Sorry, network. Yes, this from this company side. So guys, here you need to add click on right side, guys. After that, you will get this prompt and click on this node. Under this node, you need to select your Palo Alto firewall, guys. This one Palo Alto VM series. So we have one of the Palo Alto firewall here, guys, which is called as a Palo Alto 10.1.0. Okay, so I'm selecting it, and just here I'm going to assign the more resources for smooth running. So I'm going to assign here 8 CPU, guys. Okay, and here I am offering 10 GB RAM, 10240. Okay, 24240, 10 GB RAM. So let me scroll down here, version 1.3.1, and click on show. This is your Palo Alto firewall in the market right now. So after that, we needed 2 PCs, guys. So click on Windows. Here in a Windows, we needed 2 PC. Okay, one of the PC for managing your Palo Alto firewall, and one PC for generating the traffic, guys. So for generating the traffic, I'm taking here 2 PC, and managing also Windows 10. I select here. 2 PCs I need it. After that, I am going to assign here 2 CPU for more smoothness. And here I am assigning 8192 GB RAM. Okay, guys, let me change here from the icon desktop. So this one is a desktop for making a beautiful lab. Scroll down. Now I'm getting, guys, 2 PCs. You can see that. So these are the 2 PC through which you can manage your Palo Alto firewall, and from one of these PC, guys, you can generate your traffic. Okay, so you need to connect this PC toward this firewall, guys. Okay, and I'm going to take the internet from the cloud. So you need to select under this network and click on this bridge. This one is a cloud net through which you can access the internet, guys. Okay, and I'm making it also as a beautiful. So let me check. Where is the earth? Yes, from this earth I will take internet. So guys, this one is earth. Okay, through which I will take internet. Ethernet 1/1. I connect here. And another point, I'm connected here, okay, on this LAN PC, Ethernet 1/2. So connected, guys, and through this PC, I'm going to manage this Palo Alto firewall. So you need to connect this here. You need to select it as a management interface, guys. Okay, and through this way you can configure. Now, guys, I want to rename for it. So click on edit. I will change the name for this PC Win2 instead of Win2 MGMT PC for identification. Okay. And also here I'm going to convert this name to LAN PC. Okay, guys. So this is your LAN PC, guys, through which you can generate a traffic or through which you can access the internet. After accessing internet, what type of a configuration you will do and what type of a traffic will generate by this PC, you can monitor, okay, on this Palo Alto firewall, and you can check and you can also control. Okay. So let me give you here the IP address in schema. So here 192.168.1.10/24. Configure here. From here you can customize it just like a font 20 and click on bold, guys. Okay. This one your IP address for this interface, guys. And let me duplicate it. Duplicate. So this duplicate one here, just remove from here. This one is 10. So this one IP address for this PC and this is the gateway for this PC, guys. Okay. And under the management PC, let me start up to that my firewall. Firewall is getting started. This device also getting started. This device also getting started. Okay. Now I'm going to assign here, guys, management IP to manage my Palo Alto firewall through this PC. Okay. So right click, text here 10.10.10.10/24. Okay. This is I'm assigning this is the IP address for this Palo Alto firewall as a management. Taking a font 20, click on here as a bold, and let's assign this on this interface, make it as a duplicate and remove one of the zero from here. This one IP address for this your PC, guys. Okay. Again, you need to configure here something information for understanding, just like this one is your LAN zone, guys, local area network. Local area network, making it as a bold and click here something font at 18. So select here particularly this one is your LAN zone, guys. Also, we need to configure here one of this one which is called as a WAN zone, wide area network, guys. It's nothing but an internet zone, guys, where your traffic is going. Okay, so here let's select font 20 and click on bold. And this is the configuration done here. Now we will do the core configuration, guys. So guys, do you have any question up to that? How you can configure your firewall or this lab environment? Hello, hello.
No, sir.
No question.
Okay, okay. Let me connect my charger. So guys, through this way you can configure your lab under this lab, okay, Pinet lab. Here we started all the devices and double click on your management PC. You are getting a prompt here. Click on next. This one was your PC, guys. This one. Click here and give here the password, guys. Password is test123 only. This is a virtual environment. Test123. Let's wait, guys, for more time because of it's not coming up. So let's wait. Up to that, we will check our firewall is booting or ready to check. Yes, guys, your firewall is in booting process. Okay, you can see this is booting just like a router. First time. So we need to wait more 2 to 5 minutes. Then this firewall will be ready to configure. And up to that, we will check here. EEST test 123. Okay. This one is a password for this PC, guys. Here, come under this, need to search CMD. Okay. Yes. So guys, here you can see that if I'm running IP config command, after running IP config command, it's look like a pip IP address. Okay, it's not a correct address. So we need to configure the perfect IP address on this PC, guys. Okay, so what IP address I need to configure, guys, on this PC? Can you please tell me? I'm managing through this PC, this firewall.
10.10.10.1, right?
Yes,
With the
correct.
subnet 25, 24.
There, if I'm this is correct, you're correct. But if I'm managing or if I'm assigning this PC, sorry, this IP address over this PC, then what is the next way? Sorry, what is the gateway for my this PC, guys?
10.10.10.10.
Yes, correct. Why I'm asking, guys? This is a basic things. Okay, it's a basic thing. So guys, here you need to run command ncpa.cpl, ncpa.cpl. Okay, after that you will get a adapter setting through which you can configure your IP address. So this is your adapter setting, guys. So click here on the Ethernet, click on double tab here, properties. Under the properties, you will get here Internet Protocol version, guys. So click here, okay, and you need to assign here manually IP address 10.10.1. So click, so 10.10.10.1, okay. S- After that, if I'm clicking here, it offers by default this subnet mask, but we need a 255, guys. 255. So that's why we need to change. After that, the next is a gateway, guys, 10.10.10, correct? Okay, this is your gateway, guys. Manually configure. Click on OK. Okay. Now you can see that this one is going to reset. Okay, let's wait. Let me check one more time on the details. Yes, 10.10.1, 10.10.10. Okay. So IP got configured on this PC, guys. If I'm clicking here now on this Palo Alto Firewall CLI, this one is a CLI page, guys. Okay. Just like a router. So here, first time, whenever you will get a new product or new Palo Alto Firewall in your company, so you need to deploy it now. So first time by default ID and this ID and password. So ID and password, guys, by default admin. Okay. So first time, whenever you will be configure. So admin, click on it. It will ask you the password. So click on again admin. Okay. But it's showing that it's an incorrect password, guys. Why? Because of still firewall is in booting process. Still it's not ready. So we need to wait more 5 minutes. Okay. So up to that, I am going to configure this LAN PC. Under this LAN PC, guys, same way we need to assign the IP address over there. So click here.
I just want to ask, how much time will it take to boot?
It's take first time 15 to 20 minutes. If you have the lower the resources, so it will take in a production time. It also take 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. And if you are going to upgrade in a production, it might be take 30 minutes. Okay, it's depend upon model to model. It will vary. Understood?
Okay, something.
Yes. Have you worked in your life on any particular upgrade, OS upgrade? Anybody?
Sorry, sir.
Anybody work on the any upgrade process up to that in your life? Any?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Did-
Yes. So upgrade process will take a time, right, for coming up. So in the same way also here. So guys, here you can see that now we are in the LAN PC. Here we need to follow the same process, but I'm going here direct in the adapter, guys. So I'm running here command ncpa direct ncpa.cpl. Okay, so you can go directly. Just click here and you will jump on indirectly. It's a shortcut, just like that. Okay, double click, assign this IP over here 192.168.1.1. So click on properties, ncpa.cpl IPv4. Here you need to assign your IP address 192.168.1.1. 1.1? Yes, 1.1. And here you need to assign your gateway. So 192.168.1.10. 192.168.1.10, guys. And here we need to give the DNS, guys, 8.8.8, which is the Google, and click on OK. That is the configuration is enough for your PC, through which you can access the internet. Okay. So I'm clicking here, double tap here. Now let's check our firewall is coming up or not. Again, your user ID is admin and password is admin. Now you can see that it's asking for the new password, old password. So again, you need to enter your admin old password. Again, hit enter. It's asking for the new password right now. So you need to give here perfect password. Okay, as per the company standard. I am assigning here test@123 for practice purpose. Test@123. Again, password confirmation. TEST test@123. Okay, and your password got changed, guys. You can see here. Password got changed. Password change. This one comment. Okay, now you are in privilege mode, guys. In a Palo Alto firewall. So here you need to go in a configuration mode. So you need to run command configure, just like. Okay, and click on enter. You are in a configuration mode now. So initially, whenever you will deploy one of the firewall in a production, so you need to configure management IP address on this Palo Alto firewall, guys, through which the CLI. Okay. So for setting your IP address for this Palo Alto firewall, you need to run one of the command. Okay. Which one is command? I am going to put here, guys. Let's see. So set device config system type static. So guys, can you please tell me what is mean by static and DHCP client? Why I'm making it as a now? I'm setting this Palo Alto firewall interface as a static. Why? Can you please guess? Any idea?
It's a fixed IP, so
Yes, we are setting a manual IP. You are correct. But why we are making as a static?
Unless we cannot be able to access the uh, firewall if we didn't set up the static IP address.
Yes. Whenever by default Palo Alto network will offer you all the interfaces in the form of DHCP client. Okay, they all are the dynamic in a dynamic mode. But now you are here going to assign manually IP address over okay, on it. So for this reason you need to make it as a static. Are you getting?
Yes.
By default it's a dynamic, guys. That's why we need to make it as a static because of we are going to assign manual IP. Okay, so that's why I am going to make it as a static. So click on enter. Now your interface under the static mode, guys. Now you need to run a command for assigning the IP address. So click up arrow. make the remove this type here, IP add. Okay, which IP we need to assign, guys, as per our topology? As per our topology, we need to assign this one 10.10.10, right, guys? So come on the LAN PC here. Sorry, Palo Alto 10.10.10.10. After that, guys, assign a net mask. Net mask is nothing but a subnet mask. After that, click here net, hit enter. Net mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, hit on enter. This configuration is enough for assigning the management IP, guys, and this is the subnet mask. Okay, whatever configuration you will configure on the CLI, you need to push this under the production, guys. So for it, you need to run one of the command which is called as commit. Okay, so you need to do commit, COMMIT commit. So commit, hit enter. Now your commit is in process. You can see that. So commit is in process, guys. Up to that, do you have any question? 55%, 75, 98, and 100.
Sir, I just want to know what are we doing in this lab?
We are assigning the first time IP address. It's a management IP address.
Okay.
New scratch box we are configuring from starting. It's the first
Okay.
stage. If you are getting a chance in your company to configure new firewall, it's the first stage. Okay. You need to connect your RJ45 cable to the to the Palo Alto firewall, and then you will get this prompt or this CLI. And the same way you need to assign one of the management IP over there as per your low level design document or GDA. Okay, as per the standard.
After policies, you directly came here, so that's why I was confused.
No, just I configure here, make it as static, assign an IP address, and commit. That's the three command.
No, I mean on your slide on the policies, after that you directly came to the lab. So I thought maybe something related to policies you were showing.
Where I showed the policy.
No, on your slides. It's okay. It's
Let-
okay. Yeah.
Okay, let me check. In which slide? Where the
Yeah.
policy? Yeah,
Yeah.
this one.
After
You
here,
mean policy? Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, don't worry. I will
After that,
explain
you
this.
directly came to the lab.
Yes,
So I
yes.
thought there's
Why
something
I am
related.
here? Why I am here, guys? Because of this fire. This lab will take a time now. For like just like a Palo Alto firewall will take a boot up time. So that's why I
Okay.
make this. Yes, just why I'm making it ready. Okay, for your
Okay.
understanding. So now your IP got configured on the interface, guys. Okay, this is the basic CLI based configuration to deploy your Palo Alto firewall in a production, guys. Okay, after that, next part we will see. But before that, I will go on the syllabus and I will explain the rest of the syllabus. So under the rest of the syllabus, guys, you can see under the policy, we will cover security policy, NAT policy, decryption policy, policy-based forwarding. Okay, these are the policy type, guys. We will cover under this NAT. Sorry, under this policy section. In a high availability, guys, just like high availability, why we are configuring the high availability for more redundancy, right? For redundancy, guys, right? For yes. So we have two types of high availability here, guys. One of the active passive and another one is the active active. So there are the two types of high availability types, and it will take around 4 hours time, 4 to 5 hours for understanding, because yes, because of we have two labs under this high availability. And after that, guys, VPN, virtual private network. So under this now, we will cover site-to-site VPN, guys. What is the site-to-site VPN? If we have the two remote offices, these are located in a different place, just like Mumbai and Hyderabad or Bangalore. You can understand that. Okay. How they can connect each other through this tunnel, guys. Security IPsec tunnel. Okay, end-to-end tunnel. And all the traffic will travel through this tunnel, guys, in a such a way. Okay. It's encrypted traffic, guys. So how you can build a tunnel in between the two your remote offices, or your one of the remote office, or one of the your data center. Okay. So this is the thing, guys, we will cover under this VPN. It's called as, guys, side to side. Why? It is one of the side, guys, and this one is also side. That's why we call it as a side to side, in between two sides, side to side VPN. Okay. So guys, we will cover this under this VPN. Application ID, guys. Application ID is nothing but through which we can manage the applications, guys. Application means just like Zoom, YouTube, Facebook. Okay, these are the application type, guys. So through which we can manage this application. Means application means, guide. If I am considering the port of, sorry, Facebook. Everyone is aware about the Facebook. So Facebook have a multiple features, guys. Just like the chatting, video streaming, uploading, downloading. Also, we can do the comment on any video, commenting. Okay, and many more. We have the features or sub features of this Facebook, guys. Instead of blocking complete Facebook, we can customize it. We can block the particular features of this Facebook, guys. You can block this one. Nobody can upload the video, nobody can download the video, and nobody can comment on any particular any post. Okay, just they can access the Facebook, but they only can see the whatever is going on the Facebook, just they can see, but they are not able to download anything, or they are not able to upload any video, any post, any video on the Facebook. And also they are not, your user will not able to comment on any post. Such a kind of a control you can do by this application ID or app ID, guys. Understood? That's the feature. In URL category, I can directly block the Facebook URL. It means Facebook will completely block. But sometimes we need the Facebook or such a kind or such a way. If we are practicing in such a way, we have the business related application as well in a market or in our company. So through this application, guys, we need to block few features for the new user. Okay, so you will get this. You will help this app ID in a production. Okay, so this is the use case of your app ID. Understood what is the app ID? It's a basic, guys, overview only. Okay, we will learn in a very depth. Don't worry. After the app ID, guys, user ID, we will integrate Active Directory with our Palo Alto Firewall for the user ID. We will also see it. Okay, it's a complete lab based practical, guys. Okay, and device ID. Device ID means, guys, our Palo Alto Firewall will recognize the traffic on the basis of your device, what type of a device is using, end user, what type of a device is using, guys. Okay, so our Palo Alto Firewall will also recognize or identify this traffic. This traffic is coming from the HP laptop or Windows laptop or ThinkPad laptop, and which is version is running on there. The host information profile. Okay, these all the checks will done, or this Palo Alto Firewall will inspect the traffic on the basis of this device ID. Okay, so this device ID is come in a picture. Okay, so this is also one of the feature, guys. Virtual systems, guys. Virtual system is nothing but let's consider you have one of the firewall in your company. It's the biggest version or biggest model, just like 5241. Okay, or this one. So you wanna use this single firewall for multiple purpose. So you can virtually make it as a different firewall, guys. One of the box you can deploy in a multiple sub virtual firewall, guys, just like a VRF in a router. Okay, so that is the thing, guys, about the virtual system. We will do the one of the lab on this particular topics, and this is the monitoring monitoring part, guys, related to your 2 ISP related to monitoring. Okay, every firewall will get a 2 ISP if this firewall is internet facing firewall. Okay, so one of the ISP from this Ethernet 1/1 is the Airtel, and another one is for as a backup from the Geo. Okay, if your Airtel is a primary and primary is going down, then your Geo, this interface will come up and will provide a continuity. Okay, such a way that, and how they will monitor to each other. So this is the concept of a monitoring. Okay, and whenever any packet is coming inside, and your Palo Alto Firewall will act as a proxy. Okay, proxy is a term. So proxy, and this Palo Alto firewall will trust any incoming traffic on the behalf of, the SSL certificate or CS authority sign certificate, or on the basis of pre-shared key. Okay, guys. So this is the part of your decryption. So we will also cover this up to, in our syllabus decryption part. Okay. After that, guys, URL filtering just like a sport. I already explained sport category, news channel, news. Okay, so social media. So this is the part of your URL filtering, guys, through which you can completely block one of the particular category. And if I'm going more in a depth, guys, you can also customize it as per your industry requirement or your client requirement. Okay, so give me 1 minute. I need to check my teams. Yeah, okay, guys. So after that, we are jumping on our panorama topics. So under the panorama, guys, we will learn as per our syllabus how you can integrate one of the new firewall with your with your panorama, and how you are going to manage, how you can deploy the templates, and how you can deploy your configuration from this panorama to this Palo Alto firewall. Okay, this is the part we will cover under this panorama, guys. Panorama is the biggest server through which we can manage the Prisma access as well and Palo Alto firewall as well. Okay, so we will cover related to the Palo Alto firewall topics under this panorama. And global protect is it is also one of the IPsec or VPN type, guys, through which you are remote user or mobile user, those who working from home. Okay, they are able to connect mobile users to with your organizational infra. Okay, in a such a way. Here you need one of the agent which is called as global protect agent on the endpoint devices. Okay, you need it. After installing it, this user will authenticate and will create a tunnel to with your organization. After that, this user will able to access your internal resources through your data center. Okay, guys. So that is the thing, guys, about the syllabus. If I'm scrolling down, you can see that this is the particular time period which is required to complete or achieve this target. Okay. This is around 40 hours or 40 days you can consider if I'm considering every day 1 hour. Okay. Plus minus 2 lecture or 3 lecture. So guys, do you have any question up to that? Hello.
No, sir, nothing from my side.
Okay. Other people's.
Sir, we have topology, right? We have created one topology.
Yes.
In that, our Palo Alto is acting as an L3 device, right?
Yes. Acting as L3 devices. So no, your question is correct. Okay, it is depend upon the situation actually. Our Palo Alto firewall will act as a let me scroll down. Let me scroll down more. You can see here. Okay. So under this networking part, you can see your Palo Alto firewall will also act as a layer 2, layer 3, virtual wire, and tap mode. Okay, these are the deployments mode guide. You can deploy your Palo Alto firewall through this way, as a switch, as a router, as a virtual wire, and as a tap mode. Okay, through tap mode, you can monitor or replicate the data on your Palo Alto firewall. If you are any from your any active link. Okay, so you can transfer your data on your Palo Alto firewall, and you can understand or you can monitor what is this going on this particular line or this link. Okay, from this let's understand, here is one of the user, he's accessing continuously YouTube in a working production time. Then you can understand or you can learn and you can monitor his traffic, and this traffic will go on your Palo Alto firewall, and here you will get a complete logs what he is going to access. Okay, and then you can take a action against him on the basis of logs file. So this is the one of the type of deployment, guys, so which is called as a tap mode. Tapping, चुपके से सुनना, right? टैप करते हैं, पता नहीं सुना है ना लाइफ में कभी, टैप टैप करते हैं, टैप किया है, न्यूज में भी सुना होगा, मूवीज में भी देखा होगा. So this is the concept, guys. Tap. Okay.
Mm.
So after that, the virtual wire. So in a virtual wire, guys, it means if you are if any one of the customer infrastructure is going on continuously. Okay. And just like understand, this is one of the router, and this is the one of the switch, guys, and the lots of users are connected to through this switch, guys, in your company. through the Wi-Fi. Understand? Okay. So these are the users are connected through the Wi-Fi in your company, and this is connected to it, and this is one of the this link is going on the internet. Okay. And now your company is telling you, hey, we want to deploy this Palo Alto firewall in this existing infrastructure without without in without info sorry mm, without affecting, okay, without interference. You need to deploy your Palo Alto firewall within a infrastructure without using MAC address, without using IP address. Understood? This is the one of the solution, virtual wire, through which you can deploy your Palo Alto firewall without IP, without MAC address, directly in any existing infrastructure. Right, guys? Hello, hello.
Sir,
Getting?
I didn't understand. I didn't understand.
Okay. If any one of the infra is running in your company, okay, and your manager is telling you, hey, we need to deploy this Palo Alto firewall in our infrastructure without affecting existing infra, without changing your IP schema. If okay, without using IP, you need to deploy your Palo Alto firewall in a production environment. Then how you can deploy it? If I am using, if I am going to deploy this L3 na, I need a IP address. If I am going to deploy through this L2, I need a MAC address. Okay, but this is the one of the particular solution. Through this way, if I'm going to deploy my Palo Alto firewall now, I don't need any kind of a MAC or IP address. Okay, this firewall will act as like a transparent firewall on your infra. This is the type of deployment, guys.
Okay.
You will also get this scenario in production company.
Okay.
Understood?
But sir,
Yes.
this still you have that management access to this transparent firewall. This is just a type of that firewall, isn't it?
Yeah, no, firewall is the same, but it's a type of deployment. How you can deploy?
Without using the
IP and
IP
MAC.
or the MAC address.
Yes,
Is
yes,
it?
yes,
Okay.
करेक्ट. अगर आपका इंफ्रा रनिंग है और आपको कोई फायरवॉल आपके बॉस ने बोला है कि आपको ये डिप्लॉय करना है, बट हमारा जो चल रहा है ना उसको आप मतलब कुछ भी इंटरफेयर नहीं करोगे, किसी को छिड़कानी नहीं करोगे, आपको खाली वहां पे जाके बॉक्स बैठाना है और उसको लगाना है और एक काम करना चाहिए. तो आप कैसे
सर
करोगे?
फिर
आपके पास
प्रोडक्शन
आपके
में कैसे वो होगा अगर उनका आईपी यूज नहीं करेंगे तो?
सो ये ट्रांसपेरेंटली आपका इंस्टॉल होता है और ये जो दो दो इंटरफेस होते हैं ना, ये बाइंड होते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, ये दो ये वाले. ओके. और इसका एक इंटरफेस
व्हाट
बनता
इज
है.
दैट?
ये जो
क्या है वो तो?
these are the two different interfaces now which are connected to here. They will be bind, okay, and through which they will data will be captured. Okay, but you are not able to control the data.
So eventually you are using the IP address in the production, is it?
No, 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 we are not using any kind of IP address here.
You're binding it. So
Yes, yes, we are binding these two interface in a single.
वही माना सर कि you're using.
No, I'm not using here any kind of a MAC or any kind of a IP address. This firewall is completely transparent, just like a nothing in my infra, existing infra. Okay. This is the part of syllabus guides. You will not understand in a first lecture.
Okay.
Yes, you will get complete idea whenever we will deploy it. Okay, and we will do the hands-on practice or lab on this particular topic. Then you will get the
Okay.
idea how it is working. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, this is the concept you will understand on the only on the basis of lab and hands-on. Theoretically part more is very hard to understand. So who has a question? Roshan asked something. Let me check what is the question of Roshan. Hi sir, I don't understand what you said in Hindi. Could you tell me English? Okay. So Roshan, I explained just how we can deploy the Palo Alto firewall in a production environment as a virtual wire. Just I explained in Hindi in a same what I explained in English. Okay, nothing else. Sir, please share this PDF which is using 10 minutes. Yes, sir, definitely. I will share all the documents, guys, to up to you on your WhatsApp group as well as on your where you will see your recording account on it. You will get as an attachment. Okay. Thank you, guys. So guys, let's come on.
Sir, we are going topic wise, right?
Yes, we are going topics wise because of then you will get an idea or understanding.
Okay. So
Initially, go ahead.
we didn't start yet, right?
Yes. So do you have any question up to that, guys? This is the thing, and this is the in a depth, guys. What are the content are in this particular getting started and firewall? These are the content. I also multiple time explain here. You can see that this is a panorama, a validate and commit firewall. How you can keep this banner, and after that, how you can create an administrator here. So this is the administrator role, read only, full access only, super user. Okay, this we can cover under this series. If I'm clicking below, you can see that this is the deployment mode. Just I explain here. Yes, yes. Hello. Okay, nothing else. This one is a packet flow, guys. I also explained already here how we need to understand how our packet is entering and how our packet is going out. What is the action happening under the Palo Alto firewall? This thing we will understand through this packet flow. Okay. And U-turn NAT, I already told you guys, we will learn in the NAT setting, then U-turn NAT, a source NAT, destination NAT, NAT policy rule. Okay, this is a static route. This route about the route information, how you can configure the routing, virtual router. So this is the part of networking, guys. So I already told you. So we can cover it. If I'm scrolling down again, you can see that in high availability, we have two types of high availability, active and active passive. These are the two high availability mode we will cover with a hands-on practice end to end. Um, After that, these are the security policy. This is the security policy, policy rules, security policy section, policy object. We will cover under the security profile, how you can create. Okay. Security profile is nothing but DNS security, vulnerability, antivirus, the LC1 inspection related activities, guys, under this security profile, we are going to cover. And if I'm more scrolling down, you can see the user ID. This is a part of lab, guys. And in under the VPN, just give me the moment, guys. So guys, this is the part of our syllabus that we will cover. Okay. If I'm scrolling down here again, you can see the same topic. I think, guys, that is the more than enough for the day. Am I correct? Or hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. I have a question in the topology.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Can you share the topology, please?
Yes.
Usually, in the management PC, we are connected to the firewall management port. Is it right?
Yes, yes. This one is a
Okay.
management port. You can see here.
Yeah, this management port. Yeah, it's okay. But
Yes,
from the
yes.
LAN PC, we are connecting which port in the firewall?
You can connect on any interface.
Yeah, any in the yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes SFE port also there. Huh?
Which one?
SFE port. Sometimes we are connecting the fiber also in the firewall.
We don't have any kind of basic port on this Palo Alto firewall.
No, fiber port.
Yes, yes, fiber port. Yes, correct.
Yeah. My question is, mostly we did not connect any local PC direct to the firewall. The firewall
No,
connect
no.
one of the local.
No, direct you can connect direct PC. You need one of the switch here, guys, core switch.
Aye.
You know, sometimes you will get a router as well in infra.
Mhm.
It's a lab environment. That's why I connect here for the first day.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So guys, the rest of the this lab related part we will see tomorrow. Okay. Because of always we spend a more 1 and 20 minutes time within our lecture. Okay. I don't wanna stretch more because of it's literally hard to understand on a first day only. Okay. So I'm going to stop here, guys. If you have any question, just let me know. Otherwise, we can wrap up here.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank
Thank you. We'll meet on same time tomorrow. Okay. Good night.